I think memorials are always difficult to do, and it's always a mistake to do it, but it's interesting how to find some kind of solution, and I'm interested how other people think about the past, because it's constructions.
Didn't work with monuments before, but I worked like with the construct of the past is constructed through our present, and like it's more a present interest, so like reflected into the past and trying to work more in the subject. Maybe some interesting things from me, some cultural interesting things.
I have no experience with political art and historical monuments, but I find it a very good idea to combine very different artists for this project. Yes, and I'm very interested in this project.
I have been working with various social and political subjects, especially about migration and borders and national identity. So for me this is very interesting as well.
I chose this project because I was maybe interested more in the Lithuanian people mentality.
It's quite interesting to come here for me because actually normally I work with like dancing or performance stuff, which there's no trace afterwards, nothing left, and so to put something which might be heavy or I don't know, it's quite fine, and it's not what I'm used to work, but maybe this contradiction could be nice.
This workshop, it's relevant first because of my nationality, because Turkey was born from the ashes of an empire, and there's a lot of tragedies like similar to deportation, and but I'm also very interested in how in certain cases it can be named only as deportation, and other cases it can always be named, or in other cases it can be named as genocide, or it's like if it's official where two governments sign a paper agreeing to exchange populations, which also happened between Greece and Turkey, which was actually how my grandfather came from Greece, because he's from there. And in that case it's official and it seems peaceful, but also there's a lot of tragedies in there because people have to leave their neighborhoods. So I'm really interested how official terms are coined and all these tragedies. So that's me.
I would like just to tell you a little bit about this project and why we started it and what we are expecting from you, actually. So the thing is that in Lithuania we have a tradition still to commemorate some past events, as I do that perhaps. But the thing is that to our mind, this commemoration is very traditional. It's cliché-like. It's a lot of these monuments which were erected, built in connection with commemoration of some tragical events, they are really not contemporary, so to say. They are out of date and out of fashion and out of thinking, out of thought, out of idea, to my mind. And we would like to make kind of a brainstorm, starting with students, of course, because perhaps they could, in future, local students, they could participate, they could influence the commemoration of some events here. And also we would like to discuss what is the monument, how it should be done, and what is the artwork in the public place, what are the ideas of making it, and also just maybe to talk also about the impact of the society, of the public to the monument, what kind of influence they are making, and also the influence of politicians. But usually, all these monuments, they have also some kind of political meaning.
An idea of organizing this course was to give you as much freedom as responsibility. So basically, you are free to do whatever you want, but you are really responsible for what you do. There should be a result.